Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get $100 Lyft promo code. So the first step you need to do is to search Lyft promo code in any browser, and here you can see many websites. So you need to open the first one, and you need to wait for few seconds here so that the website will be open. And here you can see 50% apply coupon. So these are the codes that you can use, and let me show you some other codes. So you can use this website as well, Groupon, and you can find many codes here that you can use. Here you can see that you can use on the left to get percentage off. So this is our process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.